Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Dash Wallet application on your iPhone. So first of all, typing in the search on your iPhone, just swipe down and typing App Store and tap on this application. After that, when you're on the main page, you can tap on search icon at the bottom right corner and typing in the search bar Dash Wallet and tap on search button. After that you can scroll down until you find Dash Wallet application and you can tap on Get button. After that you should do confirmation, just do double click and wait a couple of seconds. After that you can tap open button and there you go. After that tap on skip and that's it. You can create a new wallet or recover your wallet. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about cryptocurrency. See you next time.